Hello, engineers. How many of you want to become technical resource utilization expert? How many of you having a specific knowledge on a particular technology, have the in-depth knowledge how to apply that technology for a very useful purpose and how that knowledge can be used in a particular way so that the people can use it in their business in a better way so that they can earn more out of that particular technology? Hi, my name is Pradeep Kumar KP. I am the engineer's growth coach. I help engineers to achieve high income growth and happy living with a purpose in their life. In this regard, I help engineers to find their expertise and also help them how to communicate to the world about their expertise and also to monetize their expertise. Having a specialization or a particular topics or subject in engineering field, how they can monetize out of that, because if you are doing some research and develop something, some product on that particular technology, if you can sell those product, and then definitely you can earn a lot of money. At the same time, there may be many things in this world where the technology is available and many people don't know how to use that particular technology. It can be a technology product or service or anything that help a particular business to develop their business. So here is my humble effort is to create those kind of engineers who are expert on a particular topic and they want to develop their expertise, also to apply those expertise, and thus they can monetize their expertise. So we will be looking into those avenues where engineers can use their expertise for their development, financial and their personal development. So the first and foremost thing required for that is they should know how to serve their society with the technology, the knowledge, the technical knowledge what they have. That is the one of the most important things, so that the society can get developed on a particular topic or subject, or the business houses which use that particular technology can have a better creativity, productivity, and profitability. So this is an overall development. So I am looking to all those engineers that they do business or they as a working professional or a freelancer or retired person or student or a fresher who passed out from the engineers or freelancer, if they want to develop their expertise and how that expertise can be make use for their growth, I'm conducting online meeting with those engineers who are really interested to learn about this particular topics, and every week I'm talking on a particular subject so that it will be useful for them towards their growth in their engineering career. I found there's a dire need for such kind of people who is very good at their technology. So I can see so many people they have the knowledge but they don't know how. And I know that there is a lot of technical resource lying idle, not utilized or underutilized because they don't have the proper knowledge about the technology. So this is the gap I want to fill. So that's why I'm preparing these engineers as a technical resource utilization experts so that they can fill that gap. They can help technology users, and those technology users can get benefit. They can have more creativity on the technology what they are using, and they can have more creativity in the business what they do with using that technology. They can have more productivity they can have because of that technology, and also they can earn more profit using those technologies. So this is the task in front of those engineers who become true technical resource utilization experts. So this is the terms I defined myself, and I took the trademark. As an engineer, I can help those engineers to grow. So come to the webinar, come to my classes where I meet the people and understand their requirements. This is a unique platform where engineers can find their niche, and those people who already have their niche or the expertise or the specialization topic, they can work on them and how it helped them, how they can use that expertise to develop themselves, to grow themselves. Hope to meet your people. Don't forget, don't put it for tomorrow. Join today itself so that you can attend the next class. So thank you very much.